This is the kit. It comes in a bag like this. Inside you have the mounting bracket, and you have two side mounting brackets that go on either side of the radio. You also have a wiring harness, so this will plug into, or actually you'll have to splice with the wiring kit that comes with your radio. So this came with my Pioneer radio. This plugs into the back of the radio, and these wires match up with the Metra wiring kit. So I'll connect these yellow ones and I'll connect the red ones. So Metra makes it a lot easier to connect those wires. It prevents all the guesswork, so you just have to match up the colors. So you have that, and you also have the instructions for the kit installation. It also comes with screws to mount the bracket, and it comes with little clips that go on these tabs to hold the bracket in. So it's pretty simple, and it even has a little picture diagram of how to install it. And then on the back it has the wiring codes to tell you what each color corresponds to for each wire.